All right, welcome to SVX Online. SVX is the Soul Vida experience. Soul is the sun and Vida is life. I am Ashe and I am here to bring the light. And today I have one of my favorite people in the world with me, Rachel Farley, seasoned dancer, fusion dance artist, zouk extraordinaire. She does it all. And we're gonna dance like we don't care to die. Except we're doing ballet and modern.
Which I've never done before.
So, never have I ever. Here we go. So we're gonna learn some ballet and modern dance drills, and I'm gonna show you some different ways that you can do things since we have Rachel here, and then we're gonna put everything together to play with the freedom of having form together. So we're gonna start in first position, ballet. So starting hip width distance apart, find your sturdy base, and then we're gonna open up a pizza pie, that most natural position without forcing it, and then do your knee check. Make sure your knees are going to the side, and we also wanna tuck the pelvis, okay? So this is our basic plie position. We're gonna open to second. So this is a wide warrior woman stance, knees to the side, okay? It's okay if your rump shaker is whatever size it is, just do your best to tuck the pelvis. Awesome. So those are two foundational positions we're going to work from. Let's learn the modern dance ones as well. So two train tracks side by side. You want to do your knee check. Make sure your knees are going forward and not over the toes. Okay? Perfect. Opening to second. Same thing. Do your knee check. Doom, 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 doom. Awesome. So now we're going to put together some drills. Are we good with that?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so starting in first position turned out, we're going to bring open our basket arms. And I'm just going to check her arms. Your elbows are to the side. Tuck those thumbs behind you. Shoulders relaxed but lifted. Yes. And we're breathing because we're embodied dancers. We're going to do 8 pliés in first and 8 pliés in second. Arms go out here when we're in second. We'll just show that real quick. If I was to come around and do this, you wouldn't let me move you. She's been so strong. Okay, those are second and first and second and first. Okay, we're gonna do 8 pliés, 8 relevés, 8 pliés, 8 relevés in first and second. Looks like this. And 5, 6, 7, plie, and a 1. And 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Press the earth the way up and down, and yeah. And 3, squeezing those glutes, and 4, good, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Awesome. Open to second. So check your base. Make sure we got our arms extended as far as possible, but in front of you slightly. Plie, ya da da, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4. Very good. And a 5. And a 6, and a 7, and an 8. Releve, and a up, and a 2. Use your center. 3, and a 4, and a 5, and a 6, and a 7, and a 8. Let it go. Relax that. Yes, this is also a great way to get some arm strength. Cool. All right, my loves, we're gonna do some classic modern dance movement. Modern dance came out of ballet because ballet dancers was bored. So we're gonna start in first parallel and doing arches and contractions. So when we talk about contraction, we're creating this cave from the pelvis, and we actually have permission to hunch our back over. Yes, and yeah, let your neck go. Look at that natural form. She came with the arms and everything. And then you release, push your torso out, pushing the bum bum out. Modern dancers also wanted to use their booties. So bam. Booty, booty, booty work. Yes, we're just gonna have that. Okay, so we're doing arching and contracting. So we've got 1, and a yeah, and a 2. 8 times we do this, and a 3. Yes, breathe, and a 4. And a 5. Yada. And a 6. Ba-da. And 7. Daddy. And 8. Release. Awesome. Awesome. So now we're going to learn a little bit of Horton technique. So Lester Horton is the fellow responsible for really cultivating and shaping Alvin Ailey's modern dance amusement, if you will. So really about the rise and the fall, this idea of releasing, which is what we love to do in dance class of any kind. So this one's really fun. I like to, it makes me sort of feel like I'm swinging sometimes, like on a playground, if we're doing it right. So we're gonna start with 4 arm swings, is that what we did? And a 1, 2, 3, we releve on 4. There it is. Drop and swing. Yakata-da. Around, around, contract, 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 release. Beautiful. I'm going to watch this on Rachel one time and see where we're at. So you do, and swing, and ya, da-dee, releve, drop your head, let it go, good, bounce, and around, ga-doom, ga-doom. Ashe, Rachel, okay. So we're going to do 4 of those in first parallel, and then 4 in second. When you get to second, just make sure that your knees are going forward, and your arms will come to the side in this beautiful modern dance curve, okay? With the breath, it's also really nice to breathe in and breathe out. We build up to that, okay? Conscious breathing either way. Ready?
Yep.
5, 6, 7, let her go. 5, 2, 3, and 4, and drop. Swing around, yada, da-dee, yada, da-dee, again, yada. 3, 4. One more. So good. Open to second. Here it is. And a 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Da-dee. Ya-da. Ha-da. Contract, contract. Repeat. Here we go. And yeah. Dee. Da, 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 dee. Last one and up. to our hearts, giving thanks to ourselves for showing up for the dance, for our bodies, for our minds, for our spirits. Giving thanks to the universe for infinite possibilities. Anything is possible. We're going to rumble to the floor for our soul vida. Hands to the art. Giving thanks to the earth for this dance that we call